Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to show you another Canadian university that you can go to on a budget. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Guess what? You can also apply for scholarships in this university. If this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep on it. Keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you here in the world I'm tuning in from. And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for your love and your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. You're good. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourself as well. So guys, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, and I'm also a fashion designer on this channel. In case you're wondering, what is this mannequin? So this is one of my pieces. Yes, and in case you are wondering, that's my mannequin. So yes, if you have not introduced yourself yet, go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you where in the world are you tuning in from. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So, Bestie, are you looking to start your Canadian education with peace of mind, affordability, and great job prospects? Now, let's talk about Lambton College. Yes, guys, studying abroad is one of the most significant investments that you can make for yourself. I mean, from selecting the right destination to choosing the ideal course, every step demands careful consideration. Because studying abroad is not just about academics, it's not just about academics, it is a complete transformation. And for graduates, working professionals, or anyone that is dreaming of an international career, global education does more than just shape your resume. It shapes you yourself. And here is how. Number one, you learn to adapt. Yes, new country, you adapt to a new country, new systems, new people. You also learn to thrive anywhere in the world. You also build confidence, yes, from navigating their public transportation to handling a tough situations all by yourself. You also gain independence, managing your studies, managing your finances, managing your life, and it teaches you real world responsibility. You also get to discover yourself in a different light. Living abroad reveals your inner strengths, your passions, and potential. You become globally ready and equipped with soft skills, cultural sensitivity, and a growth mindset. Guys, the classrooms abroad are just the beginning. It is the life outside that teaches you the most valuable lessons. Now, are you ready to become the best version of yourself? Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So if you're considering studying abroad, like I said, it's a game changer for building a powerful global network. You also get diverse connections because when you study abroad, it connects you with peers, with professors, professionals from different parts of the world, different cultures, and industries. These relationships can also open doors to international career opportunities, and you get global perspective because engaging with diverse viewpoints, people from different parts of the world, it enhances your adaptability, and cultural intelligence. You also get the skills that employers value in today's interconnected world, as well as the alumni networks. Universities abroad often have strong global alumni networks. You can tap into this network and they can lead to mentorship, internships, and job prospects. You also get invited into exclusive events and collaborations. From international conferences to campus clubs, you're going to have countless opportunities to network with industry leaders and like-minded peers. It also helps to boost your career because relationships that are built abroad can translate into recommendations, partnerships, or even startup collaborations in the future. So guys, when you study abroad, it's not just about the degree that you're getting, it's about building a network that spans the globe. And if you're ready to take the leap, join this channel. So guys, here are the details about Lambton University. Is based in Sarnia in Toronto. Yes, their campuses are in Toronto and Mississauga. Yes, they are known for business, they're known for IT, they're known for healthcare and engineering programs. Lambton has strong industry connections and they have high acceptance rates. Guys, Lambton University welcomes students from across the globe. They have a straightforward application process and they have a wide range of programs, and the odds are in your favor. I can assure you that their tuition fee is very affordable. International tuition generally starts at 14,000 Canadian dollars to $17,000 a year, combined with lower rent in Sarnia. Lambton University is ideal for budget-conscious students, and here are some extras. Yes, scholarships. They have scholarships and bursaries. They have co-op and post-graduation work support, and they also have a small community guide with big benefits. So if you're searching for value, if you're searching for flexibility, if you're searching for career options, questions, Lambton College should be on your radar. Yes, guys, as always, I have done all the homework for you. Do not forget to like this video, share this video with your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, because here we are sharing insights into more Canadian schools, and I'm constantly researching opportunities for you guys. Like I said, I did a lot of research, recent times for you guys. I already have my master's degree here in US, and I am constantly, finding new schools in Canada that are super affordable. And in my next video, I will be showing you another school in Canada that is very, very, very affordable that you can take a look at. And before you know it, you are on your way to the country of your choice. And guys, permit me to call you future Canadian, because yes, these schools also offer a pathway to becoming a citizen. Yes, a pathway to getting your papers and getting situated and getting all the necessary requirements that you need to become a permanent resident, and in turn, in future, a Canadian citizen. So besties, that is all about it. If you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, I am all yours. All you need to do is to join my Patreon community. You can find the link in my description, or you can also join my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button right here on this channel. Join my Patreon community or my channel membership, and you can book a one-on-one consultation. Because if you try to book the consultation and you are not a member of my community, sorry, I'll have to politely decline, because I'm using this strategy to filter out people who are not serious about taking the next step to their their journey to another country. Because if you're actually serious, you would show up. Because before now, in times past, I used to offer free consultation across board. Like, I made myself available for anyone and everyone, but I discovered that people book my consultation, it's my time here, and they don't show up, so they end up wasting my time and their time, and I don't want that to happen. So because I don't want to waste your time and my own time, I'll implore that you pay to become a Patreon member or a channel member, so that when you pay, you remember to join the meeting. You're not sending me emails 3 days after and say, "Oh, sorry, I forgot." There's nothing like that. So once you join my Patreon community, I know that you're actually serious about taking the next step, for your own future. So guys, that is all about it for today. Do not forget, this is not just my channel. You can also ask me questions in the comments. But if you want a one-on-one, then you can join my Patreon community. But if you want a 1-hour solid consultation, then you can request for it in the comments. I have a 1-hour one-on-one booking that you can do as well. I'm rooting for you guys, and that way we can even fill your application form together. Yes, with a 1-hour consultation. But please note, the pre-consultation lasts for only 15 minutes. So come ready, come correct, come with all your questions, and I'm here to support you all the way till the very end. And that is about it in today's video. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to introduce yourselves in the comments in case you are new here and you have not introduced yourself yet. My God is watching you. Please introduce yourselves. I really want to know you, and I really want to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? Till I see you in my next video, take care of yourselves, and God bless you. Bye for now.